An old poor man lived alone in a small village. His life was simple, but his heart was full of kindness. Every morning he followed his routine. He would bake a fresh piece of bread and hang it on a nail near his door. Softly he would say, "Whoever is hungry, take this bread in the name of Allah." It became his daily habit. Many months passed like this. Every day an old woman came by, quietly took the bread, and as she walked away she would always say, "May good come to you." The old man often wondered, "I'm just doing this for the sake of goodness. Then why does she repeat these same words every day?" Still, he never stopped hanging the bread. He never complained, nor did he expect anything in return. Days turned into weeks. One day he received heartbreaking news. His daughter, who had gone to the city in search of work, had been missing for several days. The old man was devastated. Every day he sat by the door waiting for her to return, but no message came. Then one evening, as the sun was setting, he heard a gentle knock on the door. He hurried to open it, and there she was, his daughter, standing weak, tired, but alive. She burst into tears and said, "Father, I was starving to death. On my way, I found a piece of bread hanging by someone's door, given in the name of Allah. I ate it, and it saved my life." Tears filled the old man's eyes. He looked up at the sky and whispered, "Indeed, Allah never lets a good deed go unrewarded, even if it takes time." In that moment, he understood. The old woman's words had always been a reflection of his own good deeds. If he had stopped giving that bread, his daughter might not have survived. He smiled and said softly, "A good deed is never wasted. Whatever you do for the sake of Allah always finds its way back to you." From that day on, he continued hanging the bread every morning, but now with a deeper faith in his heart. He knew that true kindness never dies. It always returns to the one who gives it.